So we are gonna look at this tool called Rogue WinRM, which comes default on Windows 10 in order to elevate our privilege by impersonating. So for this, uh, we are gonna use this try hack me boxes. So let's get started. So if we just do uh, who am I, right? Who am I, and see its privilege. So here what we can see is this impersonate privilege is enabled on this second one, so we can authenticate. So for this we just need this command. So let's copy this here. We need to type uh, our IP address and in the 10 and dot 253, then 233, and here we have to listen at uh, this L L V P, then 4442. That's our port number. Then let's keep on listening. So here what we did was we use this dash p for the payload. So for that we use netcat, and it's gonna execute a command shell prompt a command exe on this attacker IP address. So if we just do run it, we should get a command prompt, and let's see who am I. So I am root user. Thank you guys.